Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The latest home automation gear from Lutron is the most reliable I've used, and that makes all the difference in the world. It can be more than a little frustrating when connected light switches, bulbs, and the like work some of the time, but not all of the time. With Lutron's Caseta line, that won't be an issue. We've combined a Caseta Smart Lighting Kit replacing a traditional wall switch with the company's Serena Smart Wood Blinds, which can be set to adjust automatically with the time of day and even change with the seasons. The results are convenience, perhaps even energy savings, and just overall coolness. There's a dimmer and even a little remote. You can add in a motion detector for the lighting, and when you're done, you'll want to bring the technology to other rooms of the house. Find more at Caseta, Caseta Wireless.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.